Kavu, welcome to Skydive. How are you today?
Hi, I'm doing so good. It's my birthday today.
Yeah, happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
Excited?
Really excited.
First time jumping?
Yeah, it is.
Someone special that you want to dedicate this jump?
Yeah,
Family, friends?
my husband.
Your husband. Oh,
Yeah.
that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Amazing. You met your instructor friend. Did you understand all the instructions?
Yeah, I did.
Do you have any question about the jump?
No, I don't.
Are you ready to skydive?
Yay, yes.
So, no questions.
No, I don't have any questions. Just I want to say it has always been on my bucket list. So I thought, why not tick it off than my birthday?
So, let's do it together. Bye-bye.
Yeah, okay.
It sends me to the peak without no regret. You got no love without no love. You got no regret without no regret. You got no love. A melody where I belong in this life. It sends me to the peak. Can't we find any light without the music around? There will always be one love online.
Stand up, stand up!
Hi. I feel like a bird.
Tell me all about it. How was that?
It was so nice. I'm so glad I did it. I'm so happy.
What was your favorite part?
Flying like a bird.
Do you think you would do it again sometime?
Yeah, I would definitely.
Welcome to Skydive. You're one of us now.
Woo!
Bye bye
Thank
video.
you.